Hey guys, happy weekend, happy Saturday. We're here in the Maggie Valley, VW's in the valley, checking out all the bugs, meeting some really cool bug enthusiasts, and all their work on all their cars is just amazing. Check this out. And at these bug shows, you always run into old friends, which will soon become, well, you run into new friends, which soon become old friends. And again, we found Mr. Ed's here. Hey, Ed.
Hey, how you doing?
Man? Good to meet you. Good to see you again.
Yep.
Last time I saw you with your awesome stand and your signs, I didn't get a chance to see your Split.
Oh, okay.
Can we take a look at your car?
Sure.
So tell me the story. How did you get this car?
This car was, used to be an old drag car back in the 70s.
Oh.
And a guy had it and called me about it, and I really wasn't interested in it because I have a couple other ones.
Okay. You have more Splits.
Yes, I have 3 other ones that are running, and I have 3 other ones that are in stages.
Ed, that's
Plus,
amazing.
I'm building a special car.
Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Okay,
Yeah.
so this was a drag car that you rescued.
Correct.
Wow.
Correct.
What was
Yep.
the state of it when you got it?
The state was the front was cut off because it had a fiberglass front nose on it.
Oh man, so this you fixed all of this?
Yes.
Oh wow.
All that, and the back was cut off too.
Okay, so you had just this part here.
Just the center part.
You bought
just the center.
You bought the
section.
middle of the car.
Yeah, and then over my, I guess you call it years of collecting.
Yes.
All the little spare parts, and
yeah,
it's all original to the period of 51.
Okay.
But it's not matching numbers.
Sure.
Because
sure.
it was
right.
a drag car and it's past.
I was looking earlier at these badges, and people talk about the bricks and the badges and stuff, and I forgot you would know, so I thought I'll ask Ed. It's like a 3 or is it a 4 brick badge you want? What's the sought after one?
Okay.
Can you teach me?
4 brick is the older sought after one. 3 brick is I'm going to call what is the newer type.
And you're referring to the bricks right by the door of the badge, or how's that work?
Yeah, it's the bricks right up in there. That's how they count them.
You find a 4 brick, buy it.
Buy it.
Right. Okay.
Right.
Got it.
Buy it.
But don't put it in your car because somebody else will take it.
Well, you got to. If you have the thing, you got to have your car.
Right.
You got to have it on the car.
So you fixed the front end.
Fixed the front end.
And then did you add the crotch coolers?
No,
or?
the front end that I got had crotch coolers.
Excellent.
On it.
Excellent.
So
okay.
we took. And did, of course, we had to repair one part because it was damaged and before.
Right.
But we had to fix it.
And is the dimple in the window? Is this his standard for these cars, or was that an addition add-on later?
No. That's the standard deal.
Okay. For when you smoke a cigarette, you can do ashes out the window.
That's
right?
what it was. The older cars, like the 46s and 47s, it was a one. It was.
Ah, okay. But 50.
And then I don't know exactly when that started, but
sure.
In the 50s, probably 49, 50s,
cigarettes became more popular.
They made the little dip in it.
It's
and that's
beautiful.
just like a vent wing.
Right.
You go down the street and you do that, it sucks the air in just like a vent wing.
I love the lines, and you did such a great job. Anything to the roof? Was the roof pretty good, Nick, when you got it?
Pretty good. Of course, it had to have a little bit of
a little bit of love. Yeah,
a little bit of love.
And then you said the back end was totally.
The back end was cut off here.
Did they put like a big Baja motor in the back or something?
Yeah. They had one of those big aluminum wings on the back of it.
Yeah. Look at this split window. This is gorgeous, man.
Yeah. So.
Oh wow! And you do. I mean, I think I've talked to maybe 3 or 4 bug owners, this show, other shows, that you have helped them with their motors.
Yes.
Get them back on. So you're not just the guy who has a car, you help other people's cars
yes,
as well.
I take and do it. I've probably done 5 or 6 motors for different people.
Your work is beautiful, Ed. Just gorgeous. Look at this. I love it so much.
Thank you.
Everyone owes you a big debt of gratitude for the time you take with these guys.
Yeah. And like I said, everything on there, from the star coil to the coffee can air cleaner, the deregulator, you know, all that's the period correct 25 horse parts.
Nice.
Yeah.
And are some of these parts you're actually manufacturing yourself? You're making some of these pieces?
Not engine parts, not
Okay.
that kind of stuff. I make some other parts for some of the other pieces that I do.
Awesome.
Brake rods, some Heb Mueller parts I'm making.
Yeah.
Some
In addition
other,
to like all the signs you could possibly want.
yeah.
When do you sleep, Ed?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. But it's a passion. It's the passion. It's the passion that you love.
Yeah.
You know?
Can we crawl around inside? Is that all right?
Sure.
I'll meet you on the other side if you want.
Oh, okay.
Man, look at this interior. I just got to see.
Yeah, this interior is from Germany. We got it over there.
Marcus, oh my gosh, Ed, look at this
from
roof.
Marcus, you know.
Yeah, Marcus in Germany. Yeah.
Yeah, we got it, ordered it, and got it.
Oh, so beautiful.
So it's got the clock and the stuff on it.
You got to know what time it is.
Yep.
Time to go on a split. Look at these little glove boxes. His and her glove boxes.
Yeah, the glove boxes.
So cool.
Everything.
Yeah.
Got the heater outlets.
Nice.
The you know, dimpled shift knob.
They just don't make cars like this anymore. You don't get to see them. So thank you for letting us take a look inside your awesome split.
Like I said, it's
And the one thing we didn't really touch on was splits are beautiful, interior is great, but people really love the Semaphores.
Let me see if it'll.
We just go nuts for them. Let's see if it works. Sometimes they work. Sometimes they're sleepy. Oh, there you go. You got it.
Oh, there.
Nice.
Yeah. It's not running, you know.
Yeah.
It'll come out when it's running, but it's
so cool. Semaphores, yeah.
Yep. Yeah. So had them all rebuilt and everything.
Like a real race car with the flags, which are semaphore flags. That's exactly the same idea. These are great, man. Well, you know, like I said, really great work. Love your car, and I got to get some time to come and see your shop.
Oh, sure.
Because apparently you got more cars.
Yeah. I got a couple
cars in process or whatever.
Couple other ones.
I'm gonna find time to sneak up and see you. But thanks for chatting with me. I know you got people, customers gathering you.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
It's a beautiful car, man. You should be really proud of it.
Okay. Thank you.
Good luck on the show.
All right.
Wow. Look at all the accoutrements in here. So cool. It's all about the accessories here in the Valley. Check out this. Matching pinstripes. Oh yeah, drive-in speakers. Drive-in movie theater speakers, remember those guys? More bugs, and some Karmann Ghias. You know the neighbors love this guy. All these gorgeous cars and everything, and then you got people who get their cars put into a tent. Like it's a car on carpet. Is this your car, man?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Ethan Eisenhower.
Ethan, I'm VW.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Ethan, I like that you bring your living room outside so people can enjoy your car, indoor, outdoor car. This car is beautiful.
Thank you.
Well shown.
Yeah.
Well done. How did you get this car, Ethan? Tell me about it.
It started off as a hole. It's pictured out front, and actually, I was on a scout event, and we started with 61.
What were you scouting?
Boy Scouts.
Okay,
I was
okay,
Boy
yeah,
Scouts
Scouts,
back
okay.
when I was younger.
Right.
And anyway, Dad went to Creston, North Carolina,
Oh,
and
wow.
that's how it started off.
Man.
Just a hole. And he texted me and he said, "You're the proud new owner of a '60 Volkswagen." And of course, me and Dad, that's all I've ever known. And Dad started messing with Volkswagens when he was 16. So
right.
We've had the bug for a while.
You got bitten by the bug when
We
you were a
got
little
bitten
kid.
by the bug for a while.
And so when you got the car, you got it home, how long did it take before it was running on the road again, much less in this kind of level of restoration?
From point A to point Z, probably about 1.5 to 2 years.
Okay.
I actually drove it on my last day of high school.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay.
It's sort of like we had a senior project, so
Yeah.
it was sort of two birds with one stone sort of thing.
Yeah.
So drove it last day of high school, didn't have any bumpers on it, or the interior wasn't done, but
Yeah.
that was our goal to drive it that far, you know.
Yeah.
So
how do you like the Ragtop on? Was that fun to install and get working? That does those
well,
are not easy.
that's a factory Ragtop car.
Okay.
It's not no aftermarket.
Is it threefold or?
It's twofold.
Twofold, okay.
Yeah, it's twofold.
Yeah.
And but the car was actually a hardtop car, and the top was wavy.
Okay.
And so instead of trying to fill it with Bondo and stuff, we just cut it out and sectioned a factory clip back in it.
Man, look at this car, dude. Wow, look at that. You've done everything so meticulously, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, spent all your time.
We really didn't plan on building a car like this. We was planning on building, just a good driver, you know, and it escalated pretty quickly once we got the body off the chassis and everything.
Right. Speaking of off the chassis, you've got a mirror here that lets you see the quality of the floor pans, and all the nuts, mounting bolt brackets, and everything. It's awesome, dude.
Yeah, the floor pans are actually the original floor pans.
Okay.
Heater channels are original. When we bought the car, obviously the fenders and the doors and the deck lids and stuff, they're all factory stuff. It ain't aftermarket sheet metal.
Right, yeah.
But,
I can see the glass has the
yeah,
Volkswagen
it's all got the scripts on it. The only glass that don't is the vent windows, and they're new. But we tried to.
Oh man.
We tried to make it
look
as
at that.
best as we could.
Wow. And the interior, how long did that take? I hear nightmares about interior guys being just impossible to work with, and the delays, and everything.
Well, we've got a friend up in Hildebrand, North Carolina, and he does street rod interiors.
Okay.
And I said, how would be the best way to do it? And he said, do as much as you can yourself, you know.
Yeah.
And so we actually ordered the carpet from SoFine.
Oh yeah, I know those guys, Colorado.
Yeah, very good people to work with.
Yeah.
And we got a headliner from Wolfsburg West.
Oh, let me see it.
And then
nice.
that's mohair. You had to be pretty doctor surgeon clean to put it in.
Mohair Headliner. I've never heard that before.
Yeah,
that's a new one.
That's a mohair. That's the original top headliner material for Volkswagen.
Oh man.
But anyway, we got the headliner and the carpet, and that's how we sort of chose our colors for the door panel.
It just ties together so well, yeah. And I love your shifter too. That looks great.
Thanks. That's a Hurst shifter, and that shifter actually come out of my dad's show car.
Oh, cool.
He used to have a '65 show car back in the '80s. He used to show.
Okay.
And he'd actually bought that shifter brand new back in the '80s.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, just bring it through, right?
Yeah, and we got in a car wreck with that car in the '90s, so that's why the shifter's in my car.
Everyone's okay though?
Oh yeah, yeah.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Pop outs on the rear window. That's awesome. And then the most beautiful, tidy. You can eat off the engine.
Yeah,
clean.
pretty much.
There's no way. Look at this, man. How long did this take?
Wow, it was sort of a surprise in a way. Dad always gave me a hard time when we was fixing the car. He said, we're just gonna fix you a 40 horsepower motor.
Yeah, right.
And fix it up and doll it up. And I thought, well, yeah, okay, whatever.
Right.
And so one day I got off work early or something. I come in the garage and Dad said, well, I guess you caught me red-handed. He'd been building a motor all along.
Oh, wow.
And
that's
and
cool.
he said it's supposed to be a surprise when it's done, but he said you caught me. So
Dad. And again with the mirrors, like I can see under the motor now because of your mirrors here.
Yeah, I mean everything's been detailed. I mean, as best as we could,
Man. So. Excellent job, man. Excellent.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I'm looking at like perfection, and I'm wondering, through your eyes, is there something else on your list? Like if I could do one more thing, or I'm gonna hit this one thing, or are we done?
Pretty much done.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, sometimes you can overdo a car pretty easy.
A lot of people overdo cars.
You know, we like to do it, you know, sort of our style, and
yeah,
we like to put resto mod, you know, type cars together. And
well, you've got this great radio hidden in the glove box.
Yeah.
So that when you close it, you don't see it.
Yeah.
And you can still appreciate new radio, new feels, whatever. But you can hide it if you want to.
Yeah, because
like
it was a factory radio delete car.
Yeah.
So we kept that, and you know, obviously it's good to listen to some tunes other than the motor, you know. So.
Boy, that motor sure sounds good. Yeah, I can hear it all the way home. Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful car, man. Thanks for taking time to chat with me and everything.
No problem.
I appreciate it. And good luck on the show. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Well, I just noticed, sorry, your stanchions are made out of hubcaps from Volkswagen.
Yeah, they're actually you got Volkswagen brake drums.
Oh, nice. Yeah. And then bingo bango, you got stanchions. Look at that.
Yeah,
clever.
The stands was actually made by my dad in the 80s also.
Oh, cool.
He showed his show cars. So.
I love it. Smart.
So try to combine the stuff, you know, over the years.
Thanks for bringing your whole living room out to us.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Good luck, man. Thanks.
All right, thank you.
Take care. So great, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Make it a great week, and I will see you on the next one.